Hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Ben Horlick. They call me Dr. Bob. I work at Boucher Institute, teaching history, philosophy a bit, physical medicine a lot. That's one of my big fortes. And some of the key aspects of naturopathic medicine that we look at, which is the guiding light of naturopathic medicine, is our principles of naturopathic medicine, such as the number one that we have to look at is first do no harm. Number two, a naturopathic doctor is a teacher. So the second principle of being a teacher for patients is how patients or educate them of how to take the responsibility and treat themselves. Number three, we have to look at what our principle means when it comes to actually treating the whole person. So the whole total cosm of a person is mind, emotions, in physical body, and the spiritual aspects or the global insight that patient has. So we don't just look at the physical body. You must integrate all of them, which is done with the healing triangle that we use here at the school. Number four, identify and treat the root cause of the disease. For instance, a lot of doctors will treat symptoms. Most of the time, it's not the root cause. We have to look at lifestyle. We have to look at the person, what they're doing in their world that's creating the disharmony or disease of the person. And this goes for acute or chronic illness. Acute illnesses usually happen when the body has and the immune system is down and low enough that it isn't able to actually deal with the invading pathology that's coming into the body. Lots of viruses and bacteria around all the time. Our bodies defend ourselves by its own system. And prevention. How do we prevent disease, or how do we prevent problems affecting the body? So prevention is a big part of naturopathic medicine, to look at the cause. And we also have to look at the major aspect of naturopathic medicine, the healing power of nature. It's like the vitality of a plant. That vitality runs through us as a living force. It runs through all living things. Naturopathic medicine is well aware of the energy sense of healing, of what the energy sense of transference means, of helping people come to a greater state of health and wellness. And this goes into one of the very basic things, the fundamentals of health. Those 5 fundamentals that guide us into our wellness or into the disease of the body. Number 1, breath. We must breathe. May sound strange, but people don't breathe. Number 2, we need to hydrate. Water is a huge percentage of our body. It's critical for every biological action in the system. And number 3, live foods. If we keep eating dead foods, in a sense, there's no vitality. There's no life force to it. And number 4 is that we must move, we must exercise, we must allow our lymph and blood to flow through our bodies. And number 5, we must have contact with our heart to others. True love within ourselves for all life, or divine love, is very critical for healing. So spirituality is a big part of naturopathic medicine.